Fantom is once again in this interesting demand zone, but will we finally see rising prices or will we fall even further? I will talk about Fantom in this video and share my price prediction for the long term as well as for the short term. Before we start with the content, join my free Telegram group. There I share daily analyses on Bitcoin, Fantom and all other cryptocurrencies. First link in the description. Fantom is currently ranked 52nd among all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $1.8 billion. The coin has existed since 2018 and we formed an all-time high in 2022. And after the last all-time high, we experienced a massive sell-off. We're back in Sidi Mansour, where we had the start of the bull run in 2021. And in this demand zone, we also found bullish support multiple times. And after we broke this last peak to the upside, we caused an explosion for Fantom. And since this last highest peak, we have had a longer retracement down to the prices now. But as you can see, we've tested this last ultimate high multiple times just now. Saw a bullish reaction during these weeks, and we are currently testing this last up high. And if we use the Fibonacci sequence, we can also see that the last high is located here at the 0.618 Fibonacci level. This means that the chance of seeing a bullish reaction here is very high. As we have seen before with this bullish price action, and on the daily time frame, we can see that we are still clearly in a bullish trend with higher lows and higher highs. And as you can see, we are now testing this last high at 65 cents for the 5th time in total. And so far, we have always encountered bullish price action here and pushed down, reacted up there, and of course, the chance is high that we could react again and bullish price action. Looking, especially when we pull out of this demand zone, with bullish price action on the lower time frame. And then it is of course important how we first at this high and also at this high reaction. As of now, this high would be technically weak because we reacted from this high. We did not see a significantly lower low after the last high. So if we see a bullish reaction here as mentioned, that means if we see bullish power now, this high is weak and the chance is high that we reach 96 cents. And then it would be extremely exciting how we start. React to this high here, because after this high, we set a lower low here on the daily time frame. If we break this upwards, it would be an extremely bullish sign. And of course, if we also break this last high, if we don't see any bullish reaction here and break to the downside and find bearish acceptance, then the chance is high that we'll continue to the downside. Correct. But as of now, the probability is higher that we will see the bullish reaction because, as I said, always found bullish and support here. And Fantom is also an extremely good project with extremely high potential. And if we could now manage to find bullish acceptance here, then the next interesting price target of this projection would be last high here, because after this high, we got this massive sell-off. This means the chance that there is a lot of liquidity above this peak is extremely high. And we could see another reaction here and then continue the bullish trend upwards. And then of course the last all-time high here is very interesting for Fantom. And from the prices currently to the last all-time high, we have a potential of over 400%. And the best coins in the bull run also reach new all-time highs, and I think Fantom has the potential to do that. And if we use the Fibonacci retracement tool again for this price, complete swing, then we get 3 potential price targets for this bull run, and I'd say all these price targets are realistic for this bull run. I would divide it into a pessimistic, a realistic, and an optimistic price target, because once again, Fantom is a very good project, and we currently only have a market capitalization of $1.8 billion. That means there's still extreme potential for growth. A long term, I think we're at a very good area to build a position, if you haven't already done so. And at these potential price targets, I would watch how the price reacts, and if we get bearish price action here, for example. Even if Bitcoin introduces significantly lower prices into the market, I would definitely make partial sales here. But I also think we can see prices of $12 for Fantom, for example. From the current prices to this price target, we would have a potential of over 1800% for Fantom. And as I said, this is a very optimistic price target, but I still think it is realistic. Of course, it is just a price prediction based on the current prices, but I think it will be a potential outlook for this bull run. So, in the long term, I think this is a very interesting buying area for Fantom. And in the short term, I also think we will get very good trading opportunities here. If Fantom, for example, breaks out of this area with bullish price action, I would enter a potential long position at this edge here. Or if we get these bullish signals, confirmed breakout, and then test this price area even further, then I think we have very good entry opportunities here. And as already mentioned, if we get bullish price action here, theoretically, this high here is weak and a potential price target, which means for a potential trade, we could enter at this edge here with the right price action. Put the stop loss below the last lows, and then this price target as take profit. We could of course hold the position longer until this high or up to at this high, but I think that we would have a very good risk reward ratio here. And as I said, it would just be an example trade. That does not mean that I would take it directly, but with the right price action, one could get into a position here, enter the position, and of course also use a stop loss. Place even deeper under this entire zone to cover the entire area. And if you generally want to copy my trades, then join my exclusive Signal group. Here I share all my trades in real time and also my crypto spot coins. Second link in the description. In summary, I see extremely high potential for Fantom in this bull run, and we are currently in a very interesting buying area. For the long term, as well as for the short term, I would especially watch if we get bullish price action now, and if the Bitcoin price also goes up, or at least goes sideways. So guys, thanks for watching. I wish you all the best in trading, and see you in the next video.